The Cleanroom Documentation Package is a critical set of documents that ensures cleanrooms meet industry standards and regulations for use in controlled environments, such as pharmaceutical or biotech manufacturing. The package includes the Qualification and Validation (CQV) process, which is structured to maintain the necessary cleanliness levels, document conditions, and operational parameters. This presentation outlines the essential documentation required for cleanrooms, explaining each component's purpose and contents in the validation process. The Cleanroom CQV construction plan serves as the blueprint for the entire cleanroom project. It incorporates risk management, assessment, and mitigation strategies to ensure successful implementation while meeting all regulatory requirements. The plan includes a project framework, technical specifications, and management structure, detailing the timeline, resources, and methodologies for building the cleanroom according to industry standards. The User Requirements Specification, ORS, defines the specific requirements the cleanroom must meet based on the intended application. It serves as the foundation for the cleanroom's design and validation process, establishing clear parameters for environmental conditions and operational capabilities. The ORS document ensures all stakeholders understand the cleanroom's purpose and performance expectations before construction begins. Validation plans provide a structured approach to qualifying and validating cleanrooms, ensuring it operates as intended and meets all relevant regulatory requirements. These plans outline the entire qualification journey from installation through performance verification. By establishing clear testing protocols and acceptance criteria up front, the validation plans create accountability and ensure the cleanroom systems are compliant. Installation Qualification (IQ) verifies that the cleanroom and its critical systems have been installed correctly and meet the design specifications set out in the ORS. This phase focuses on the physical installation aspects rather than operational performance. It includes equipment verification, documentation review, calibration checks, and initial testing to ensure everything is set up correctly. Operational Qualification (OQ) ensures that the cleanroom and its systems operate as designed under normal operating conditions. It confirms that systems function properly and meet predefined operational parameters, focusing on the dynamic operation of all cleanroom components working together. This includes load testing, environmental parameter checks, system function tests, and compliance verification. Performance Qualification (PQ) verifies that the cleanroom performs consistently and reliably under typical operating conditions over time. This final qualification phase ensures the cleanroom environment remains stable for ongoing operations, providing evidence the facility's long-term performance capabilities. It includes long-term performance testing, real-world condition validation, environmental stability verification, and system consistency analysis. Summary reports provide a final review of the cleanroom's qualification status. These comprehensive documents confirm the facility is suitable for use and compliant with all applicable regulations. The reports include a qualification process overview, results and deviations, final assessment, and ongoing recommendations for continued monitoring and maintenance to maintain performance. Operational Standard Operating Procedures, SOPs, provide detailed instructions for the cleanroom's daily operations, maintenance, and monitoring. These procedures ensure consistent, reliable operation and ongoing compliance with GXP regulations, serving as the practical guide for all personnel working in the facility. SOPs cover entry and gowning, cleaning and maintenance, and monitoring and documentation. GXP salators play a vital role in providing and executing the Cleanroom Documentation Package. Their expertise ensures that cleanrooms are fit for use, compliant with regulations, and capable of maintaining controlled environments suitable for pharmaceutical production. They offer documentation packages, qualification activities, regulatory compliance support, and training and support for cleanroom operations.